In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce polygon count with the Decimate modifier in Blender. To make the results easy to see, we'll start by adding a simple object. Press Shift plus A, go to Mesh, and choose UV Sphere. A sphere is perfect for this demo because the change in detail is obvious as we simplify the model. Next, open the modifier panel so we can work non-destructively. Select the sphere, head to the Properties panel on the right and click the wrench icon. This is where Blender keeps all object modifiers. Click Add Modifier and choose Decimate. The Decimate modifier is designed to lower polygon count while trying to preserve the overall shape, which is great for speeding up viewports, exporting to games, or preparing level of detail versions of your models. You'll see three methods you can use. Collapse is the general purpose option. It reduces triangles while attempting to keep the silhouette intact. Unsubdivide is tailored for meshes that were created with subdivision. It removes those added levels evenly. Planar looks for faces that lie on the same plane and merges them, which is especially helpful for mechanical or CAD style models with lots of flat surfaces. If you're using collapse mode, focus on the ratio slider. Lower values mean fewer polygons. For example, a ratio of 0.5 cuts the mesh to roughly 50% of its original detail, and 0.1 drops it to around 10%. As you adjust, keep an eye on the face count display in the modifier. It updates live and tells you exactly how many faces remain, making it easy to hit a specific poly target without guessing. For hard surface models, switch to planar mode. Set the angle limit to tell Blender how aggressive it should be when merging faces that are nearly coplanar. A small angle preserves more detail, a larger angle cleans up big flat areas quickly. This is a reliable way to tidy imported SAD data or simplify mechanical shapes without rounding edges that should stay sharp. For subdivided meshes, choose Unsubdivide. Increase the iterations value to peel back subdivision levels in even steps. This method keeps the original edge flow cleaner than random collapse, which is ideal when you need a lighter version of a smoothed model. Remember, the Decimate modifier is non-destructive until you apply it, so feel free to experiment. Dial in the method and settings that best preserve your silhouette while achieving the performance you need.